Hey everyone, it's Christina. As some of you may know, I'm getting ready to move to Australia on a working holiday visa in about 2 days. I'm moving to Perth. I'll probably stay in Perth a couple months and then go elsewhere, but I will be in Australia for a year. So how exactly do you pack for a year? I'm gonna find out. So this is the pack that I'm going to be traveling with. It is an Osprey Fairview. Osprey is a really good brand, and this seems like it'll be a really good pack for me to take. It's 70 liters, and the reason why I chose this pack was because this front part is actually a backpack, and you can actually unzip that little backpack and turn it into a day pack. So this will be good, you know, for when I go to the beach, and I'll also use this as my carry-on. So the thing I struggle with the most when I pack is toiletry items. I really like makeup and I really like beauty and skincare. So toiletry items are always a little bit challenging for me, but I think I did a good job of paring some of those items down. I had, most of them fit into here, into here, which is where I have some of my like feminine products and my contacts, and my makeup is in this bag, which is, you know, a pretty good downsize for me. So in this bag, some of the must-have items for me are, I got this little poof from CVS. I'm bringing a couple razors. I also got these little, you know, toiletry bottles. I have, you know, facial cleanser. I'm bringing some Dr. Bronner's soap, which is a really good all-purpose soap. You can use it for laundry. They say you can use it for dishes. You can use it as a face wash. So I'm bringing some of that. Body wash. I'm also bringing 2 towels. I got this one as a Christmas gift from my mom. It's like a little microfiber travel towel. And I have this other towel that's kind of microfiber. It's a little bit bulkier than the other one, but I think it'll fit. I can use it for the beach. Technically it's called a yoga towel, and you can put it over your yoga mat, or if you just decide to do yoga in the grass or in the sand, it's really good for that. And as for my makeup, I'm just bringing, like, you know, the bare minimum products. I found this little Smashbox compact at TJ Maxx, and what's cool about this compact is you can use all of the colors really anywhere on your face. It's specifically for eyes, but I think I could use this color as a blush. Yeah, you can use these for your eyebrows, just as eyeshadows, and it comes in this tiny little case, which is perfect for traveling. I also got this little shampoo conditioner bar from Lush. I've never used it before, but I've heard really good things. This is, I want to say it's called like Hair Goddess or something like that, and it looks like this. It smells really good, and I got this cute little storage tin for it. So I'm looking forward to using this and trying it out. So some other kind of miscellaneous items that I'm bringing are this little tan purse. Again, super versatile. I know I've said that a lot in this video, but when you're packing, that's what you want to remember. You want things that you can switch up, you know, for casual, dressy casual, or more formal things like an interview. So anyway, so this is one of those pieces. And one trick that I found is with bags, you can put little bags inside of them. So I'm also bringing this little, you know, it's just kind of one of those cheapo canvas bags that you get for free sometimes. I got these when I got my glasses from Warby Parker. You know, so it's just a really thin bag, but I think it'll be perfect, you know, if I need a little shopping bag when I buy groceries, or for going to the beach. I don't want to bring, you know, a super nice bag if I'm just going to go to the beach and have it get filled with sand. I'm also bringing, I don't know how this is going to work out, but I thought it would be good to have. This was my mom's idea. I have these, this is a sleeping bag liner, as you can kind of see. And even though I'm not going to be using a sleeping bag at the hostel, it makes a really good like sheet set. So if you're not sure about the cleanliness of the sheet you're sleeping on, you can just throw this on your bed and you have something that you know is clean. And it doesn't take up a lot of space, so I can kind of just shove it into my backpack. And in this little pouch, I put some of my first aid. I made a little first aid kit, as you can see. And it, you know, it just kind of has like some Neosporin, bandages, some like, some tape, some gauze, just really basic things like that. I'm bringing some cold medicine, some Midol, and this is a great little travel tip, some emergency, you know, whenever you feel a cold coming on, you kind of have to get to it quick, so it's really good to have vitamin C on hand. And especially on the plane, you don't know what kind of germs are floating around, and you definitely don't want to get sick your first week on vacation. So I definitely recommend bringing vitamin C with you. Now for clothing. So you really need a wide variety of clothes. So the best way I found to do that is to kind of have a few pieces that are pretty versatile that you could wear. You know, maybe you have a top that you could wear to an interview, but you could also dress it up for maybe a night out. So that's the strategy I'm using. We'll see how it works out. So I will start with some of the tops that I'm bringing. I'm bringing this like gray kind of fleece top, and this, I really find myself wearing it in all the different seasons. Like, you know, in summer if it's a little chilly inside, I like to throw it on. It's really good for fall and winter. I'm bringing a little top like this that I like to wear if I go running or yoga, something like that. This top I'm bringing, this is the top I was talking about for an interview, or, you know, I could dress it up for a night out. But yeah, it's this little simple button-down white top. It would be good for interviews for casual jobs. And if you get, you know, in interviews for something nicer, you can go to a thrift store and pick something up. I'm bringing 2 pairs of blue jeans. Again, those can easily be dressed up or down. I'm bringing a pair of white jeans that, you know, I really like to wear these, you know, for a night out, getting drinks, you know, or just doing something kind of dressier during the day, maybe getting lunch or something. 2 pairs of athletic shorts, bringing 1 pair of athletic leggings, and then 1 pair of these like really thick leggings that I got a few years ago from American Eagle, or not American Eagle, American Apparel. And I find myself wearing these a lot during the winter time because, believe it or not, in Australia it does get cold. Specifically, you know, if I want to go south, like to Sydney or Melbourne, I'm going to be there during the winter, so, you know, I need versatile clothes. In this little cube I have underwear, bathing suits, socks, a few bras, and the final 2 pieces of clothing items I'm bringing are my rain jacket. And a trick to packing things with hoods is you can kind of, you know, fold it up into something like this, and then just kind of take the hood and tuck it over so you have a nice little compact pocket. And I'm bringing this hoodie, again, just to kind of wear as at the hostel if it gets chilly. And again, this is a really good versatile piece that I like to wear throughout the seasons. I'm also bringing this little pouch of some electronics, like I have a flashlight in here, you never know when you're gonna need one, an extra pair of earbuds, and some extra cables in case, you know, in case some of the like charging cables that I have break. You know, I don't want to be there and be spending a lot of money on things like cables that I already have that I can just, you know, throw in my backpack and not take up a lot of room. And now on to shoes. If you know me, you know that I love shoes. You know, anywhere I go, I can find a pair of shoes that I want. But I scaled it down to 5 pairs. 1 pair, obviously, I'm wearing to the airport. A traveling tip is the things you wear to the airport, make sure those are your bulkiest items. But also, if you're going to be traveling a lot, make sure that you can at least squeeze all of those items into your bag. So you're not left with, you know, items that don't fit into your bag, you know, when you're traveling around. So the shoes that I'm bringing are these Reeboks. These are just a good daytime tennis shoe, kind of like a little bit dressier than an athletic shoe. Like I could wear these to a concert, you know, I could dress them up for a night out. And they're really, really, really comfortable. You want to make sure that all the shoes that you bring are not going to kill your feet. You know, don't bring any stilettos or shoes that just really hurt your feet, because that's just going to be space in your bag that you're taking up. I'm bringing my Birkenstocks. Again, super comfortable. These are good just to slip on, wear around the house, you know, going out to errands. Bringing some flip-flops. These are super comfortable. I've had these forever, and they've held up really well throughout the years. They're Reef sandal or Reef brand. And of course I can wear these into the shower that I'm going to be sharing at the hostel. I can wear them to the beach. And the 1 pair of kind of dressy shoes that I'm bringing are these. These are super comfortable and really versatile. So I can wear these maybe for a night out, getting drinks. And I could also wear them for an interview. I don't think I mentioned the interview pants that I'm bringing, but they're just like a basic pair of black trousers. So I think these will pair really nicely to create, you know, a really presentable interview outfit. Now we have to put all of this into the backpack. Okay, this was unwise.
Oh my god.
I really thought. Hello, YouTube. So quick update. I mistook how much I could fit in my backpack. So I'm going to have to downsize significantly. So far, I have eliminated probably half of my clothes. I'm about to try round 2 of getting everything to fit in my bag. This is a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. I've got everything to fit in the bag, and now we have to try to zip it. Come on. Yes! Slay! Yes! And then we do this. All right. And we do that. We pull it tight. Hey everyone, so I finally got everything in the pack. This is what it looks like. I haven't attached the second pack to it. Hey everyone, so I've been in Australia for about 3 weeks now, and I have a couple thoughts on packing. The first thing is that toiletries are really expensive here, so a simple tube of mascara from like Maybelline is like 20 bucks, but more importantly, sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I bought in the United States just did not cut it here, and I ended up getting a really bad sunburn when I got here. So the sun in Australia is really intense. The ozone layer is pretty much depleted over the entire continent. So just wait to buy the sunscreen here. It's gonna cost a little bit more than in the States, but it's worth it. Australia is also very dressy, and I wish that I had brought less, like, I don't know, grubby athletic clothes from the States and just kind of saved room for dressier clothes to buy at thrift stores when I got here. I also bought a small suitcase. So for a lot of people, I guess traveling with just a backpack is sustainable. For me, it was not. So I just went to Target and picked up like a small little suitcase that can be a carry-on. And that has really saved my back. Those are pretty much all the notes that I have, so don't forget to subscribe, and go ahead and subscribe to my blog as well at christinaandconnor.com/travel, and you'll just receive emails whenever I make a post. So anyway, and I'm also going to link some of the products that I found really helpful below in the description. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and yeah.